Because of love. South Prison.
Your Honor, that so-called fear is groundless. My client cooperated with the police at all times because he is innocent. Also, he told his fiancée that he would be back the next day to carry on with the ceremony. Do you think that this is the attitude of a person who is guilty? With us today in this courtroom is Attorney Ponce, who at any moment we will call to testify, and she will be the one to prove that my words are true, Your Honor. Carlos promised her he would be back to marry her.
I'd like to request permission to call on my first witness. I am not going to call on the witness that Attorney Moran wants.
You may proceed. Ricardo!
How are you, Joel? It's so good to see you.
Come in.
Thank you.
It's good that you came, huh? It's been a long time. Sit down.
Yes, thank you. Well, I have been very busy. I have many cases.
Oh, you are always very busy. Why don't you give yourself some time to visit your friends?
I'll do that. I will do that. I promise you.
To what do I owe the honor of this visit?
Joel, I would say it's not good news.
Does it have to do with my case?
That's right. The ruling was passed in favor of your children.
I lost my house?
Yes. I am really very sorry.
No, Ricardo, no. You don't need to tell me anything. I knew this was a lost case from the very beginning. You did make it clear to me, and you did a lot for me.
Yes. You see, the moment we registered your house in your children's name, we were left without any legal resource to fight back, Joel.
Yes, but I did it to protect them. The only thing I wanted was to protect them from inheritance issues when I die.
I know, but then it was a very risky thing to do.
Never did I think they'd do something like this. How was I to know that they would try to kick me out of my own house so they could keep it for themselves? It hurts me a lot. It's very painful.
I know, Joel. I think no parent expects to be betrayed like this by their own children.
Can you tell us exactly what your job is at the hotel?
I'm a waiter.
On the day that Miss Patricia was found murdered, was she alone in the suite?
No.
Can you tell me if the person who was with her is here in the room? Will you point him out? So when you entered the suite, was there anyone besides the two of them?
I didn't enter the suite. I only heard the voice of a man.
At what time did you bring them the bottle?
Around 1 o'clock in the morning.
No further questions, Your Honor.
How are you? Could you please describe to us the situation when my client was with Patricia?
Well, there was some music. She was the one who took the bottle, and she even seemed excited.
Did she look nervous? Or did you get the impression that she was in some kind of danger?
No, not at all.
No more questions, Your Honor.
You are now excused. Listen.
I would like to ask my second witness to take the stand. Can you tell us what your job is at the hotel?
I work in the parking area.
Do you remember approximately what time Attorney Ibarra left?
He left at around 8 o'clock in the morning.
With that, Your Honor, I have proven that Mr. Ibarra was obviously at the scene of the crime at the time that Miss Patricia was finally declared dead. And also, I can tell you that the CCTV camera footage shows him leaving at approximately the time of her death, which allows me to state that he is none other than the murderer.
What they're doing to you makes me very angry. Now forgive me, but I do have to have a word with your children.
Thank you, Ricardo, but well, it's pointless. Frankly, there's no point. They won't change their minds. Sit down.
Well, yes, but what they're doing to you is an injustice.
Yes.
I'm going to have a word with them.
Ricardo, you are not going to talk to them. They have been very angry with me since I married Marcia. And they found a way to punish me by doing that.
Come on, yes, but it's completely absurd.
No.
I can't believe they can be so ungrateful.
Well, maybe it's my fault, huh? For always giving them everything.
No, I really don't think it's that.
I got them used to getting everything they wanted, regardless of what I had to do to get it.
Well, yes, but you cannot blame yourself for that. You simply did what any other parent would have done.
But maybe I should have been, I don't know, more strict with them, less permissive. I don't know. Oh, Ricardo, I don't know. The only thing that I'm aware of is that it's already too late now.
No. Maybe if you tried to reach an agreement with them, this could be
Look,
solved.
Let's see, listen to me. The only way that they will allow me to stay in this house is if I leave Marcia. And that I am not going to do.
No. Don't do that. I can't understand why they can't accept her.
Well, neither can I. She is a good woman.
Yes,
The only thing that woman is doing is loving me.
and I have seen that.
I don't know, maybe they never understood that my relationship with their mother ended many years ago. Even long before she passed away. Do you know something?
Go ahead.
I'm not leaving Marcia. For me, my happiness always comes first.
I would just like to ask the prosecuting attorney if she ordered a toxicological exam to be done on the body of Miss Patricia.
I brought it.
We did what was required, because the cause of death was determined to be asphyxia, due to the obstruction of the air passages.
Your Honor, I am presenting at this moment the toxicological report which was released and signed by the experts at the Institute of Forensic Sciences in Mexico City, where it was found out that she was in the habit of taking sleeping pills. The said pills, together with the alcohol she had consumed, could have caused Patricia to vomit, which could have led to bronchoaspiration.
That's an absurd conclusion. There was absolutely no trace of vomit.
Well, perhaps because it all remained in her lungs. But unfortunately, that is something we won't be able to prove to you because you did not order a pathological exam. That is something the public prosecutor should have ordered, Your Honor, to have greater certainty instead of taking the risk of making an arbitrary detention against my client. I request that this report be accepted as evidence now, Your Honor, since a thorough investigation was not carried out.
The evidence is admitted.
And that's not all, Your Honor. The video that the public prosecutor is so proud of and is using against my client comes from a camera that only records what goes on in the elevator, but has a blind spot in the emergency exit that connects to all the floors.
Here is the evidence, Your Honor. Here.
Good.
Perfect. Will you record this?
I would like to object, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
The prosecution is basing the information on what the hotel provided.
Objection overruled.
Your Honor, all the prosecuting attorneys in this city have been granted police investigation faculties. With this, I prove that they didn't carry out a proper investigation.
I would like to call one more witness. I have asked her to remain in the hallway for her security.
Well, I told you so.
Take your seat.
Pretty girl, right? Let me remind you that lying before a judicial authority is reason enough to be sentenced to more than 3 years imprisonment. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I do.
I would like you to tell us everything that happened that morning.
I went to check on my friend because I also spent the entire night in that hotel. And that's when I found her asleep. Yeah. Patricia? Patricia? Wake up, my sleeping beauty. Patricia? Patricia, come on, wake up. Patricia? I said wake up! No. My goodness, no. She was dead that morning. That's why I called the police.
And is the person who you spent the night with at the hotel here in this room?
Yes. I spent the night with his cousin on the floor below.
Thank you very much. That is all for now. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I apologize for what I'm about to say, but this is absurd. There's no single argument that has proven that my client was actually the murderer. Yes, there are witnesses that saw him leave, but no one, absolutely no one, can be sure that he's guilty because he is not. Anyone could have entered that suite, but since they didn't do a good investigation, they didn't consider that she could have died because of the reaction caused by the substances she took. So I ask you, Your Honor, for the lack of evidence against my client, you have to set him free immediately while they are doing the follow-up investigation where I hope the prosecuting attorney will do her job well, Your Honor, and arrest whoever is responsible.
I told you.
Are these all the arguments and evidence that you will present?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will now take a 10-minute recess to deliberate.
Now, I understand that, Joel, and I respect it. But if you should allow me to intervene, you just have to say so. I will have a word with them, and I'm going to make them aware of what they've been doing to you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate it. I just wish my children were like you.
Thank you, but you don't deserve what they're doing to you. You are a man who has worked his entire life. You are admirable. You are loyal. You are an honest man.
Oh, come on. Please don't exaggerate.
Fine.
I have my faults too. No. So how have you been? Please, tell me how you've been. How are you? How have you been after your divorce?
Fine. It's all right.
Really? Are you sure?
Well then, the truth is I've been very busy. I've had a lot of work lately.
You've always had a lot of work. But it's not everything in life, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You should care about yourself, about your happiness.
Yes, I know that.
You have to find someone like I did, like Marcia, who will listen to you, who will understand you, who will be your companion. I do not want you to be alone. Life is so much better with a companion.
Yes, and that I know too. And that's why I started going out with someone. Although, frankly, it's just so awfully complicated.
Oh, well, when is it not?
When is it not?
Please be seated. In view of all the evidence and arguments exhibited here, I was able to determine that there are deficiencies in the investigation. This actually goes to show that there is no conclusive evidence that will directly link Mr. Ibarra to the homicide. And so therefore, Mr. Carlos Ibarra will be given conditional liberty, effective immediately. Mr. Carlos Ibarra will still be part of the investigation process, and he will have to sign in here every Friday in this court, and he won't be able to leave the country. Court dismissed.
We have
You won.
No, Alan.
How did
Attorney?
you feel?
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Juan.
Attorney Roberto?
Juan, thank you for your help. It was fundamental to this case.
Well, but we have to continue working on it because this is not over yet.
That's right.
Although, we are off to a very good start, gentlemen. Congratulations.
You too.
Leonardo.
What's our next step?
I don't know yet.
Leonardo,
I will never stop thanking you for what you've done for me. Never.
Well, I simply did my job, Carlos.
Now my only hope is for justice to be served, and that they find out who murdered that woman. Leonardo, I want to ask you a favor.
What is it?
Tell Alejandra she's the first one I want to see. As soon as I get out. I'm begging you, please. Thank you.
Loss of love. Loss of love. Thank you very much for coming to see me.
No, man, on the contrary. Honestly, I would have much preferred to have brought you good news.
Yes, I know, but oh look, if I had to get the news anyway, well, it was better to hear it from you.
Please, Joel, just think about what I told you, hmm?
Yes, I will. I hope everything works out well with this young woman you're seeing. Tell me again, what is her name?
Alejandra.
I hope to be able to meet her soon.
Well, I also hope you can meet her as well. Joel.
Goodbye.
I'll see you soon.
How are you feeling, dear?
Fine, because Carlos won't have to be locked up. I'm happy for him.
I know you, my love. Tell me the truth. What's the matter?
It's not easy for me to listen again to everything that happened that night.
I understand you perfectly well, dear. I understand. Relax.
Listen.
Yeah, this turned out really well.
I want to thank you both for what you did for Carlos.
No, you don't have to thank us, really.
Just the same, I want you to
Ponce?
know.
Yes, what is it?
Congratulations.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I appreciate
My name is
everything
Juan
you've done
Lopez.
for
The
him.
pleasure is mine. It's very nice to meet you. You all did an excellent job.
Oh, thank you very much.
You know the next step.
yes.
Praise be to God.
Praise be to God, and
She
so
was
tell
really
me,
tough,
where did you come
Sonia
from?
is one of the smartest and toughest public prosecutors I know.
With this, we've managed to obtain freedom for Carlos, but then the proceedings aren't over yet. Many things can happen during the investigation period. We'll see what happens.
Yes, well, for now, what we need to do is to find the person who could have had reasons to murder Patricia.
That's right.
Oh, by the way, Alejandra, Carlos will be released shortly, and he told me the first person he wants to see when he gets out is you.
All right then, very well.
Do you have any news about the trial of Carlos?
No, I don't.
I sent a message to Roberto and he only acknowledged it.
Do you think that I should text Leonardo? Well, he might answer me before Roberto does. I can just text him.
I hope it turned out well.
Well, I'm not worried about that. When Leonardo and Roberto litigate together, nobody can beat them.
This case is very difficult. I haven't seen Roberto this concentrated in a very long time.
Yes. Well, we can see who'll answer first.
Okay. And you? How was your date?
Oh, well, the two of us are just starting to get to know each other, but I must say that Arturo is very sweet.
Seriously?
He and I also exchanged messages the whole day. You see? Leonardo only talks about work. Arturo and I have so much more in common.
Goodness. So you finally found someone who can actually get Leonardo out of your head.
Well, I think so. Arturo is very sweet and considerate.
Maybe he'll end up succeeding, huh?
Oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. 30903. I won!
What do you want?
My love, you won't believe what just happened.
I don't really care.
But you see, it's something very good, my love.
Listen, I already told you to stop calling me.
I want nothing to do with you. What part of that don't you understand?
You see, we...
I won.